on. Go get it. No. There it is.
Don't splash him, Ron. Let him get in on his own terms. Go get it, Fro. Get your Kong. I tried to get something that would float, but that doesn't float too well. Well, it's a great big dog dish anyway. Where you going, Sev? Ah, call of nature. Gotcha. He's almost ready to go in, Ron. He's got the other foot. Oh, there he goes. He's got 3 feet in. Whoops, off. Good boy, Fro. Good boy, Fro. You gonna get in too, Sev? Sevy, you gonna get in? Huh? I bet you never had a bowl big enough to sit in, Frodo.
Nice bowl of good drinking, huh? Good drinking? Yeah. You can walk around and drink all you want.
Nice when it's hot out, huh? Whoops, there he goes. Gonna get in? Go get it, Fro.
I wouldn't stand on the edge too much of the towel. It's displayed to his toes.
He'd be a great swimmer. He would be a great swimmer. I tell you, he's the first one we've had that would go in the pool by himself.
Yeah, smart puppy. Yeah. Yeah, smart puppy. You can actually walk around in your water bowl, huh? Pretty neat.
Where you going, Sev? Sevy, where you going?
Nice fresh cold water from the well. Yeah. Good stuff. Go on. You can do it, Sev.
Come on, Sev, you can jump in there easy. You can jump in there easy. Come on.
You can do it, good girl.
Good baby. Come on, you can do it. Come on. You're letting the water out, Sev.
Jump, Jack Russell. Jump, Jack Russell. I hope he holds one paw out. What's that?
I don't know what the heck he's doing. He's doing what you're doing, Ron. Frodo. That's not the way to get in. You have to jump in. Jump. You're a Jack Russell, for God's sake. Jump.